Hello everybody and welcome to this spec hunting video at the Hot Wheels vending machine. It is mostly empty, but let's have a look. The Couple Corvette, which I already have, the Bel Air Gasser, Pixel Shaker, which is a regular treasure hunt, and they put the note there in case you do not know. Regular treasure hunt, but it is not very nice. White Honda City, Grady, Fair Lady, another White Honda City, Bola, Jeep, Lamborghini, the Toon Volkswagen Golf, what is this? Datsun Fair Lady, Koenigsegg Land Rover Defender in original. This is the first color. Then we have Ford Focus, another Corvette, Dodge Ram, Audi R8, Mustang Mach-E, another Gasser, the Honda Integra, another Ford Focus, another 55 Chevy, green Honda City, a Chevelle, and the red Mercedes, which I already have. So nothing new, and they have Mini GT. Nothing new here except for the regular treasure hunt. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.